Hi babies, welcome in. In this video, I will be showing you how to set up this succubus tail that you purchased from my store. This tail package is available in my store on Booth, and once you've downloaded it from here, you're going to get a zipped package. You're going to unzip that package and then you'll be able to go into Vroid. The package does include a small little video in there as well that does kind of show you where to go just in case you need a reminder. Once in Vroid, you're going to go to the hairstyle section and you're going to go down here to extra. Even if you do pick a different category and try to import them, they were saved as extras, so they're going to automatically force import into that section. But once you're in extras, you're going to go to import. You're going to find the one, you're going to find the asset that you want to go ahead and import. You have the tail only and the tail with the wings. I'm going to go ahead and do the one with the wings so I can show you how to go change the textures for that if you wanted to. And once we press import, it's gonna ask us if we want to wear now. We're just gonna say yes. So when it imports, you'll notice that the tail is gray. In order to fix that, you're gonna go into edit hairstyle. You're going to click on the one that says tail. And you're gonna go over here to the materials. I don't know why, but for some reason, Vroid will duplicate textures that you've been working on, textures that were attached to the model, and you'll just have a bunch of materials here. You can just go ahead and right click them. If they are not attached to anything else on the model, they will go ahead and delete. And once you have all of your unnecessary textures deleted, you can go ahead and click the drop down for the material that is highlighted, because that is the one that's attached to the tail or the geometry that you have selected over here. We're gonna do the drop down and you're going to click main color. You're gonna check that on and you'll see that it applies whatever color's here. In order to change it, you'll click the circle and it will bring up your color wheel, and you can play around with the values in here to change the color to whatever you desire. Once you have your color picked, you can go ahead and change the style as well. Down here under where it says texture parameters, you want to make sure you're in texture parameters and not hair parameters, because this is going to actually modify the texture and not the hair. We're going to go ahead and click mess around with the offset slider. Make sure you click the actual hair and not the freehand guide. So you want to click the hair and not the freehand guide. And once you have that selected, when you drag on the offset slider, you'll see that you can change whichever tail you would want to switch to. Okay. And as for the wings I did already create as a pre-colored PNG. So that one you will not be able to really change it using the method we changed the tail. But I did go ahead and include the textures for some colors that you can go ahead and change to. So in order to do that, you'll click on where it says wings. And the same thing, we're gonna click on the hair, one of the hairs. We're gonna go to the highlighted material, press the drop down, and this time we're gonna press edit texture. When you go into edit texture, you're going to right click the texture for the wings and press import. And you can go ahead and select whichever one of these textures you would like to use. Once you click it, it should apply to both wings and you should be set. After this, you would just go ahead and export it like you usually do. You are going to have to take these into Unity and change the hierarchy for the bones. Right now, they are attached to the head because they are hairs. You're gonna have to take them into Unity and go ahead and reattach them, the tail to the hip and the wings to the upper chest. I do have a video for you to show you how to use the bone weight transfer tool, and I should have a video soon to go ahead and show you specifically how to make tails. I just want to let you know that you will have to go ahead and modify this further in Unity. All right, that's it. Hopefully that was super easy and stress-free and you're able to enjoy your new succubus tail. Thank you so much for supporting my store, and make sure you check out other assets. I will be uploading there as frequently as I can with new things, new goodies periodically. Thank you once again, and until next time, babies, bye.